Hey everyone, recently I have to go with Joomla installation for my college studies. So without further, and I see in YouTube there are no any kind of proper video of installation in recent. So here is the proper video of installing Joomla on Mac. Whether you have Intel CPU or M1, doesn't matter. This process will work for both. So now let's move on to the step. So the first step is like you have to install a server. So many of teachers of your teacher like will suggest XAMPP, but trust me guys, MAMP is XAMPP is suitable for Windows. For Mac system you have to install XAMPP, sorry MAMP. So let's install MAMP. Here you can see downloads. Yep, here you can see both version. Now you have to decide like which you have to download. If you have M1 CPU, then you can go with this one, and if you have Intel CPU, then you can go with this one. Although this site recommends you according to your CPU, so I have the Intel one, so this site is recommending this Intel one. So actually I had already downloaded this, so I do not want to download it. So uh, but for you guys, let download it again. Okay, so now it is downloading. It's a bit long file, so let's see how much time it will take. I do not want to like make video more larger, but my speed is like good, so I guess it will not take much time. I'm not like skipping any part of the video so that you guys can like see I'm doing in front of you live. So if any error will come, like I will face it in front of you. Okay, and guys, this is my first video on this channel, so if you like my concept and uh, tutorial, then kindly support me. This is my first video. Okay, till time it's downloading the setup, let's see. We have to download basically two files. First is the server file, which is the MAMP, and the second one is the Joomla setup. Yep, here you can go with downloads. Sorry guys, yes. So here you can find the Joomla downloading file. I am not going to download it again because I have downloaded it all also. So it's a zip file. When you download it, it will ask to unzip you. So what you need to do, you just need to download that zip file, and if you double click it, it will automatically extract it and rename it to this, like see, Joomla with small j. Rename it like this, okay? Or whatever name you can set, it depends upon you. So for now I am writing it like Joomla, and here is the MAMP file, okay? So I will not install it because it will take a lot of time. I have already installed it, so there is no any like rocket science behind installing this. You can install it, it's like very simple process. Okay, so now let's move. Yeah, do consider one point. It will give you two files, MAMP and MAMP Pro. Okay, so you have to go with only MAMP. Okay, I had uninstalled the MAMP Pro one, but you have to go with only MAMP. Okay, so now what to do? You have extracted Joomla folder. Now you have to copy this file, and let me change the name because I had already Joomla 2. Okay, now you have to copy this file, and where you have to paste, see this step very carefully. You have to go into Finder, Application, and then search for MAMP. Here is the MAMP folder. You have to go into MAMP. Here is the htdocs name folder. You have to go into htdocs. I had already pasted that file here, but for you I am going to paste it again and making a new. So I am pasting it here, that file, Joomla 2. It will take a minute. I don't know why it's taking like a minute in this file only, because in Mac I had pasted a lot of big files, more than GB, and it will take more than it will take less than a minute, but in this file it's all just 64 MB and it's taking a minute. So I don't know why. See guys, this video can be longer, but trust me, at the end of the video you will definitely running Joomla on your system, and there is no any proper video of installing of Joomla in Intel or Mac M1 PC laptop. This is the very simplified process. Okay guys, so here my file is copied. Remember the directory. You have to paste that extracted file of Joomla into application, MAMP folder, htdocs, and then here you have to paste that file, and that's it. Now what we have to do, we have to open MAMP. So you can, I have set MAMP in my doc, but you can open it from Launchpad. Yep, done. By default your PHP version was set to 7.4.21. You have to do it to 8.0.8 because PHP 8 is the latest version of PHP, and you don't need to like change anything. You can do one thing. In by going preference, just tick on this one, start server. When starting MAMP, it will save your time. Like when suppose next time when you open the MAMP, it will direct start your server. You don't need to do anything, just open the MAMP and go to your website. So just go to preference and tick this one, start server, this one, and click OK. Done. Everything done. Now you just have to start the server. See, this is turned into green. It means that your server is now started. Now go to your any default browser. For this time I am using Firefox, but you can go with anyone which you want, like for suppose Chrome, Safari, Brave, anyone you can go with. Now here what you have to type localhost. I will give this link in the description, and I will provide all the downloading link in my description, so don't worry. Localhost colon 8888 slash Joomla, or the name of the file you have renamed it. Like I had renamed it with Joomla 2, so you have to remember that name, because that name will only work here. Okay, so Joomla 2 and press enter. It will directly jump to the installation page. Here is the Joomla. You can see the Joomla version 4. Okay, so now you can name your site like whatever you wish, you can name it. For suppose like I'm writing it now, Apex Education. Okay, now set up login data. Now you have to enter your real name. Like I am writing here Aman Raj, this is my name. So now you have to make a username for your account, which you are supposed to use in future for your login. So I am making it admin. You can make it whatever you want. Just try to just keep one thing. You don't have to be you don't have to like use a space between your name, username. So you can use underscore, but you do not have to use a space. I am using admin by default, and password I am setting capital ADMIN at the rate 123456. See, you can set you this is the like password recommendation. One letter you have to be capital, and one special character, and the mix of number and alphabet. Okay, so type your password. When this bar becomes full green, then it will okay, you can now proceed further and write your email. So I am writing my email here. Okay, so now set up database connection. Here you just have to leave everything as it is, MySQL, localhost, everything as it is. Now you have to enter username of the database. So by default with MAMP server, your username for database is root, ROOT, root. And for password you can leave it alone, leave it empty, you don't need to anything. Now you have to create a enter the name of the database which we are going to making. So by default it is Joomla DB, but I have one database with this name, so it will clash. I am changing. You have to leave it as it is. I am changing it to Joomla 2, and rest part you don't need to anything, just click on install Joomla. I think there is something error. Okay guys, you also have to enter root as password also. Root username and password is also root. Now install Joomla. It will take a moment, and then yes, you are on the congratulations, your Joomla site is ready. Okay, so from here you can install additional language, but right now I'm using English UK. Now you have to complete an open site. Click on this complete an open site, and it will redirect to the Joomla homepage. Here it is. That's it. Now you can log in with that same username you have provided. Like I had provided ADMIN admin as my username, and my password is ADMIN at the rate 123456. See, this is the password I had provided at the last. And login, just click on login, and that's it. Here you can see my name, it's greeting me with my name. Here is the main page. but and if you wish to go to your like backend, so you have to copy this URL and go to another tab, just paste that URL and just add administrator. Just add administrator after the slash and press enter. This will redirect you to the backend of that of your home page. And here you have to enter the same credential, admin, and admin 012345 and just press login, and here it is. It will ask you to collect some basic statistics. You can allow it. Now here you can see this is your backend page, or you can say administrator page, and here is your front page. So here is the complete installation video of Joomla. And guys, if you like my installation process and my guide, then kindly support me by hitting the like button and pressing the subscribe button. And please don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest video updates. I will be uploading this kind of video for Mac or Windows also. So remember this this is the setup for Intel or M1 both PC. Okay, hey. Okay, bye guys. This is Aman Raj signing out.